Hey guys, Raz here back with another video, and in my last video I spoke about the iPhone SE is having a bit of controversies, and I didn't talk much about that. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the iPhone SE in particular, whether you should buy it in 2020 or not. So iPhone SE stands for Special Edition, and Apple has officially announced the pricing of the iPhone SE in India, and the pricing is around 42,500. So regarding my Instagram post which says it is the best to buy in 2020 when Apple announced the pricing in US about $399. So when we convert it into INR, we felt like $400 into 75 is 30,000. So but the official pricing is around 42,500, which in today's market is a bit higher when compared to the phones like OnePlus 70. So I'm getting a lot of queries about which one should we buy, like the iPhone SE or the OnePlus 70. So OnePlus 70 is around like 40,000, but iPhone SE is around 42,500. So is OnePlus better than the iPhone, or should I choose the iPhone SE? So regarding that, I have my opinions. I have mixed feelings about this. So let's get started. So the first point about the iPhone SE is the display. You get a 4.7-inch display with normal 60 FPS frame rate. So if you go to a higher phones like a OnePlus 70, you get a better display of 6+ inches and a good quality of RAM and storage in those devices at the same price of the iPhone SE. So comparing to phones like OnePlus, iPhone SE is not a good deal in 2020. That's what I meant when I told it's having a bit of controversies. So even the battery life in 2020, you can expect an average phone around 10K to 40K having a battery life of 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh. But this iPhone SE comes with a battery life of 1960 mAh, which is literally less than 2000 mAh. In 2020, 2000 mAh is nowhere near to the Android phones which deliver higher battery lives, and the display is also 4.7-inch, which you get a better displays and HD displays in other phones, and iPhone SE is not having a HD display too. So these two are the main concerns. And when I told cost to performance ratio here, the iPhone SE is not a great deal in India right now. In case it is US and you compare about $400, $399 to be precise, it is a good deal there. But coming to India with all the taxes included, it is 42.5K, which is literally not a deal in 2020. In case you do a lot of gaming, you want a good phone, better go for the OnePlus 70 with 8GB of RAM, and you get 256GB of storage in OnePlus 70 rather than 3GB of RAM and 64GB storage in iPhone. Comparing the camera and the A13 Bionic chip, it's literally better than the devices out there, Android devices, but it is having only a single camera and no wide angle. So comparing all these, OnePlus 70 will be a better deal compared to iPhone SE. But in case you do nothing with your phone and you want an iPhone, you use iMessages a lot, and you want a good camera, you don't deal about charging it twice a day, and you don't use it much for gaming, you don't want a bigger display, in that case you can go for the iPhone SE. But it is not quite a good deal in 2020 to go for iPhone SE. That's what I want to say in this. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one.